All right, we're day 2 out in Michigan, and we are picking up a new ride. By Intimidator.
Oh, she was a good girl.
Yeah, she was all right. This is the only one that runs and drives?
That we have now.
Yeah.
That we know of.
Thick thighs save lives. What do you think?
Pure Michigan.
Pure Michigan, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the quarters. Had a spitter in the back, too. And, they didn't want to spit their seeds out the window. They just kept on the floor. Can we give her a little putz around?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, we won't go crazy. Just feel her out. Let's go feel her out. Oh, yeah.
Do I need a seatbelt for this?
No. Steering feels really good.
Huh?
Steering feels good. What do you think? Want to see what they wheel and deal us on it, or you want to?
Yeah, I'll do whatever.
What's the worst happening? Spend a couple $100. It's a couple wide, and we end up beating her up too hard.
Yeah.
I mean, what's the?
Yeah.
Vehicle's a vehicle.
If we get it for $200, I say we get it.
Well, it was a short shopping trip because this is the only thing they got here. Old Expedition. So now we have a Ford Explorer, Mountaineer, and an Expedition.
What about the Dodge, man? You forget about the Dodge?
We have the Dodge. I don't know. We're gonna need to get a Ford Ranger. We need to cycle the Dodge out, get ourselves a Ford Ranger. Then it's the whole Ford fleet. All right. Well, let's get her home. All right, guys. We got the old Eddy Bauer edition Expedition back at the property. And wow, man, we are doing so good here. We picked this thing up, $200. I'll let you guys know. We paid $200 for this thing. And she runs so good. So the reason why they're always loud like they are when we get them is because the junkyard cuts the cats off, obviously for money. But other than that, she's got the whole mock system in here, premium sound, 6-disc CD changer, and she's not bad. I mean, she has 4-wheel drive. We've been running her in 4-low. We did one little lap, brand new battery. If you guys know, it's a $150 battery. So all the lights work. I think this window maybe has some issues. Not sure on that, but not a big deal. So I think maybe they tried taping it up and it just, yeah, something like that maybe. See, the door still works. So obviously, someone liked their seeds, but they didn't want to spit them out the window, so they just spit them on the ground. So definitely a little gross. We're gonna get this just do a quick cleanup on it so we don't feel disgusting every time we get in this thing. But other than that, she's ready to rip. Do a little fluid check, get the oil and all that topped off in her. Power steering's crisp already, so I'm pretty sure that's good. Check the radiator, blah, blah, blah. We're going to get at this thing, get this thing ready to rip, and hopefully do some good laps. What's going on here, Mike? Why are we taking the door off? We want to give a little bit of examples. Is that door still open there, Milo?
Not on this side.
That door.
But if you want to, yeah.
Whoa. She's well, we lost all our pillar support because we had the great idea, because convertible life, when you're out in the woods, sometimes you just want a little breeze in your hair. So we got this cut right here, over there. This is all cut. Door removed. Yeah. Slight hiccup in the plan. So we got the strap hooked up for a little top removal business here. Pull removal, top removal,
And go! That didn't work.
Oh my God.
I'm pretty sure this is how they do convertibles from the factory. Nice.
There she goes.
Nice.
Pop the cherry. I believe we can rip it off now. Beautiful. I get
Oh! It's still attached.
Did we just extend that expedition 16 feet?
We just...
I need more seats.
It's the rumble seat.
What's it caught on?
Damn it. We busted the moonroof glass.
At least it's all in one spot.
Oh, the seatbelt's keeping it on. So when a bear and a rabbit are taking a shit in the woods, and the bear turns to the rabbit and says, "Excuse me, you have a problem with shit sticking in your fur?" The rabbit said no. So the bear wiped his ass with the rabbit. Alright guys, we got the expedition all dialed in here. Got even our little, all the sharp edges taken care of. Put little seals around here. Got a nice chain, little clip action here, just like an old ride, you know. Get it all clipped up, keep everyone safe. Seat belts are still attached, but they are just lap belts now. But man, she is looking crisp. Got that new car smell scent. Looking good. Here's the problem. We've already been running this thing for a little bit, and we kept on saying we need to check the oil. Well, not great. There ain't nothing on there. Not even on the tip.
Oh my god.
Alright, well, it ended up taking 4.5 quarts of oil. And I know what you're thinking. It's like, why wouldn't you be the first thing you checked? Well, here's the deal, guys. It was one of the first things I wanted to check, but we just got so wrapped up in doing the whole convertible top on this thing, and then after that, it was like quick, like we gotta take a ride. And after that, we were like, all right, we gotta check the oil trans, blah blah blah. And then other people started taking it for rips, and it's like, man, we really need to get this done. So that's what we're doing today. So thankfully, we didn't do any hard rips on it. It's just been really just doing some cruising and all that. Nothing too bad, but still, only a 1.5 quart oil in this thing. We're about ready to find out why it only has a quart in oil, or a 1.5 quart in it, because it's probably got, see, it's got some blow by here, and also it's got a huge engine leak maybe somewhere, or she's just a smoky gal. So, old white Eddy here. We're going to get the hood shut. Actually, we're going to warm it up, check our trans fluid, then take it for a small little rip. Woo! Boy, does she sound good, guys. Not really. She's got a misfire. But she came like that. We're going to do a small little put here. And our next video will probably be us ripping this thing if we get a chance. Alright. Dude, this thing is, what a unit. Like, look at this thing. Like, you know, just totally convertible expedition. Like, come on. How cool is that? Nice thing is, 4 low actually works on this thing. She is this thing has potential for sure. So right now we just got her down in first gear, so that's why she's not shifting. And we were considering about taking the front drive shaft out before she went in 4 low, just because she was kind of a turd with just 4 high. So we were gonna pull that front drive shaft out to kind of get the RPMs up a little bit, but you know what? She went in 4 low, which is a beautiful thing. So we're gonna leave it 4-wheel drive. I mean, I'll show you guys, like we'll put this thing in just drive, and this thing will start to is that now we only have lap belts in this thing, and they really don't tighten up the greatest. It's not really a high speed ripper. It's because we don't want anyone falling out. Probably should have put some safety chains on the front too. Maybe that'll be an addition just for last case protection or whatever you want to say. But other than that, like, man, she is crispy. All right, guys, so that's old white Eddy, the convertible Expedition, just totally ripping. So glad you guys watched this video. We put out more videos for sure. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you later.